Hello students, how are you all? I'm sure you all are fine and taking good care of yourself. So children, let's begin with our next chapter, which is diary writing. A diary entry is a short composition, a record of the writer's personal feelings, thought or activities during the course of a particular day. Diary writing guidelines. Mention the date at the top left corner, starting writing as Dear Diary. Clearly describe the event happening that you feel, express your feelings honestly, write the ideas in an informal manner and in paragraphs. अब बच्चों, कई बच्चों को आदत होती है, लोगों को भी आदत होती है डायरी लिखने की, ठीक है। डायरी एंट्री जो होती है ये आपका शॉर्ट कॉम्पोजिशन होता है और यूं कह लो कि आपकी पर्सनल फीलिंग का एक रिकॉर्ड होता है जो आप डायरी के माध्यम से लिखते हो, और ये आप किसी पर्टिकुलर डे के इवेंट के बारे में लिखते हो अपनी डायरी में। अब यहाँ पे गाइडलाइंस हमें दी गई है। आप अपने डायरी के पेज के ऊपर जहाँ पे आप अपना स्टार्ट करते हो डायरी लिखना, वहाँ पे आप डेट लिखेंगे, डेट मेंशन करेंगे। उसके बाद आप जब डायरी लिखेंगे तो आप डियर डायरी करके उसे मेंशन करके स्टार्ट करेंगे, ठीक है। इसके बाद आप अपनी फीलिंग्स को एक्सप्रेस करेंगे। गाइडलाइंस फॉर राइटिंग अ डायरी. The following points have to be remembered while writing a diary. The date must be mentioned on the left hand side at the top. These days we do not use any punctuation mark while writing the date of the diary entry. You may begin by leaving a line after the date and then you may write Dear Diary on the left hand side before you start the paragraph on the next line. The description have to be clear but brief. They have to be expressed in a logical way. It is written in an informal style and is a subjective piece of composition. The ideas expressed may be written in the form of paragraphs. It is a frank and honest expressions of the writer's thought and ideas. One may conclude by signing the first name, but it is ऑप्शनल। अब बच्चों हमने जान लिया गाइडलाइंस के थ्रू कि कैसे हमें डायरी एंट्री लिखनी चाहिए। अब हम यहाँ पे पढ़ लेते हैं डायरी एंट्री को। Read the following extract from a personal diary. 25th June 2012. Dear Diary, today I was very excited because my parents had planned to take us to Adventure Island. We took food from home. Mom had packed some sandwiches and chips. We reached there at 11 a.m. We carried water bottles and caps too, as it was very hot there. The best part was that there were many rides there. People were shouting and shrieking as they went up and down those rides. The most dangerous and interesting ride were the roller coaster and the merry-go-round. Thank God, Mom was sitting next to me holding my hand. The roller coaster ride was so scary, I could feel my heartbeat increasing and sense butterflies in my stomach. My sister enjoyed the water park the most. After the rides, we had ice creams and then had dinner at Pinpalucci. We reached home by 10 p.m. Dad was completely exhausted. It was a great day. I came home and called my grandparents to tell them about my day, but I really wanted to say sorry to my dad as I had been angry with him for not taking us anywhere before. He planned this picnic himself. I will apologize to him in the morning. Now I am signing off for the day as I am really tired and want to sleep. सिग्नेचर रमा। तो बच्चों यहाँ पे एक बच्चे ने अपनी डायरी एंट्री लिखी है और डायरी से वो बात कर रहा है किसके बारे में, अपने पिकनिक के बारे में, जो वो अम्यूजमेंट पार्क में गया था और वहाँ पे उसने बहुत सारी राइड्स में बैठ के काफ़ी इन्जॉय किया। तो इसी तरह से बच्चों आप भी प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो डायरी एंट्री की। तो कैसा लगा ये चैप्टर? आई होप आपको ये चैप्टर समझ में आ गया होगा। अब इसका रिवीजन और दी गई एक्सरसाइज की प्रैक्टिस आप खुद से करेंगे।